how to fix Instagram ingress timeout error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram ingress timeout error on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store and make sure Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then just click here update. And if you can't find here update, now let's move to the next step. Go to settings. If you have an Android, click apps again, type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then clear data. You will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And if you have an iPhone, just go to settings and then general and then iPhone storage and select Instagram and click offload, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.